welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko, aunti Deke. If today is the first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So last week we learned about the first 3 letters of Yoruba alphabet, and I want to believe you learned it and what they stand for. And you know what? I came up with another idea. Okay. Fun aja, aja. B fún bàtà, bàtà. D fún dókítà, dókítà. You know? Should we try that again? A fún ajá, ajá. B fún bàtà, bàtà. D fún dókítà, dókítà. Right, so that was what we learned last week, and I've just added this one now. If you can learn it, that would be fantastic. By the end of this video, I'm going to put it all together anyway. Alright, you know, before we go into today's lesson, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejio, Etaoyao, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Oluko, aunti Deke Benny. So today we're going to learn 3 more letters, okay? Like I said in my previous video, I think in episode 1, I've got everything you need to know about Yoruba alphabetic, okay? So today we're going to learn A, and F, okay? So after D for Dokita, the next one is A. So you're pushing your tongue, the middle of your tongue, you're pushing against your upper teeth, okay? Ku. Ku. Good. And then the next one is E. Give it a try. Yeah. And then the next one is Fi. Like you're trying to blow air through the middle of your 2 biggest teeth on the top. Okay? So the front teeth, the 2 big ones on the top, okay? Try to say like you're blowing an air through the little tiny space in between those 2 big teeth. Okay? So fila. So I'm going to try to, there's this rhythm that I want to put it into to make it a lot easier. So I'm going to start from A to F, okay, which is A, titi de fi. A fun aja, aja. B fun bàtà, bàtà. D fun dókítà, dókítà. E fun eku, eku. E fun ẹyẹ, ẹyẹ. E fun ẹyẹ, ẹyẹ. Fi fun fila, fila. Fi fun fila, fun fila. Did you get that? Should we take it again? A fun aja, aja. B fun bàtà, bàtà. D fun dókítà, dókítà. E fun eku, eku. E fun ẹyẹ, ẹyẹ fi fún fìlà. Fila. Did you get that? Yay! As you know, we're going to be saying our O double together on the count of ení o, èjì o, ẹ̀ta oya o, ó dàbọ̀. Thank you so much. Ẹ ṣeun.